Right now, we're just digging the hole to begin our transplant. I would say dig a hole about 6 to 8 inches deep and try to leave about a foot of space in between holes because you really want to have the plant to have enough space to grow. I think that's a big mistake for beginner gardeners. They plant the plants really closely together. They really don't want that because you want each plant to have, enough nutrients and enough sunlight to grow properly. So here we have the tomato seedlings, and we're just carefully placing them in each hole.
Yeah, water here.
Before we place the plant, we water them. Water the hole first. Get the soil nice and wet, and then we plant the seedlings.
Hey, not on my head, please.
Excuse me, smile.
This one?
Don't pour the water, it's cold.
It's not enough though.
That's enough. The weather is cold, okay? Don't want too much.